The shoebill stork is also known as the whalehead or shoe-billed stork. The bird can stand up to 5 feet tall and weigh up to 15 pounds. They has a wingspan of up to 8 feet. The shoebill stork is a patient hunter, standing still for hours and then striking lightning fast to catch prey like fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. The shoebill stork is a solitary bird, only coming together with others during mating season. Shoebill bird is a highly specialized predator, using its bill to snatch prey from the water with great accuracy and force. Shoebill birds are typically found in Uganda, Sudan, Zambia, and Tanzania.